Hello! In this video, we'll explore how to embrace the old money style for spring-summer 2025. If you're after an elegant, sophisticated, and timeless look, you've come to the right place. The old money aesthetic isn't just about clothing, but also about a lifestyle and a particular sense of style. This look is all about avoiding showiness while focusing on quality, refinement, and subtle luxury. Let's dive into all the key pieces and tips you need to build an old money wardrobe for 2025 and how you can elevate your fashion with sophistication and class. What is old money style? The old money style is all about heritage, understated elegance, and timeless appeal. It's the opposite of flashy, over-the-top trends. It's about quality pieces that are classic, subtle, and designed to last. The old money aesthetic is often associated with wealth and sophistication passed down through generations, and it's a reflection of a lifestyle rather than just fashion. In the world of old money style, luxury isn't loud. It's quiet, refined, and not immediately obvious to others. It's about wearing items that speak of quality without needing a logo or a loud statement. The clothing tends to be timeless, relying on classic tailoring, premium fabrics, and neutral, soft color palettes. Key pieces and tips for spring-summer 2025. To help you curate your old money wardrobe for 2025, here are some must-have items and fashion tips that will help you channel this refined, elegant style. 1. Classic and elegant dresses. As we head into spring and summer, lightweight dresses are a wardrobe staple. However, in old money style, these dresses must be simple, timeless, and made from luxurious fabrics like silk, chiffon, and cotton. Opt for dresses with classic cuts, such as A-line or shift styles, and focus on subtle detailing rather than bold patterns. For instance, a dress with a soft belted waist, or one with a high neckline and slight draping can evoke a sense of refinement. Midi-length and knee-length dresses are also excellent choices. 2 pastel colors and neutral tones. For spring-summer 2025, pastel colors and neutral tones will be essential for creating the sophisticated look of old money. Soft pastels like pale pink, lavender, mint green, and light blue, as well as neutral tones like beige, ivory, and taupe, create a subtle and chic aesthetic. These soft colors exude elegance and are perfect for a refined, timeless style. Earthy tones are also key in this aesthetic and will be especially popular in 2025, offering warmth and understated sophistication. 3. Minimalist accessories. Accessories in the old money style should be kept to a minimum, opting for quality over quantity. The focus should be on understated, elegant pieces rather than flashy, oversized accessories. Think small diamond or gold earrings, delicate chains, and minimalistic rings. A simple gold necklace, a small gemstone ring, or a pair of tiny stud earrings can all add subtle elegance without taking away from the overall refined look. Avoid anything too bold or trendy. Instead, go for timeless, high-quality pieces. 4. Silk and chiffon blouses. Silk and chiffon are essential fabrics for the old money look. These materials are soft, luxurious, and exude quiet sophistication. A silk blouse, for example, can be paired with tailored trousers or a pencil skirt for a sleek and refined outfit. Soft, airy chiffon blouses can be dressed up or down, making them versatile staples for any wardrobe. These fabrics add a touch of luxury and elegance without being flashy. 5. Refined shoes and bags. When it comes to footwear and bags, old money style favors quality leather and understated designs. Think classic leather loafers, low-heeled pumps, or sleek ballet flats. A pair of timeless nude or black leather pumps will serve you well for almost any occasion. As for bags, Opt for quality leather pieces with simple, clean lines and no visible logos. A structured leather bag in a neutral color is the perfect addition to your wardrobe, whether for work or casual outings. 6 blazers and tailored trousers blazers are a cornerstone of the old money aesthetic. A well-fitted classic blazer in neutral shades like navy, black, or beige can instantly elevate any look. Pair it with tailored trousers or a pencil skirt for a sophisticated and polished appearance. The key is in the tailoring. Blazers should fit perfectly and be made from high-quality fabrics like wool or linen. Pairing these blazers with trousers in a similar cut can create a refined, timeless look, suitable for both professional and social occasions. How to build a look with old money style. The essence of old money style is understated elegance. Start with simple, high-quality base pieces, such as a white button-up shirt, tailored trousers, and a classic blazer. Add minimalist accessories like a thin gold necklace or a delicate pair of earrings. When it comes to shoes, go for neutral, refined options like leather flats or sleek heels. A simple leather bag, preferably in a neutral tone, will complete your ensemble. For casual looks, you can pair a cashmere sweater or a well-cut cotton top with a simple pair of tailored pants or a skirt. Keep the color palette light and neutral. Avoid anything too bold or trendy. Old money style is all about timeless pieces that stay relevant season after season. Conclusion: the old money style is all about creating a refined, sophisticated, and timeless look that doesn't rely on flashy displays of wealth, but instead on quality, classic pieces. This aesthetic allows you to create a wardrobe full of luxurious yet understated items that will never go out of style. For spring-summer 2025, focus on pastel colors, tailored cuts, luxurious fabrics like silk and chiffon, and minimalist accessories to perfect your old money style. I hope this video has inspired you to embrace this timeless, elegant fashion and gives you the tools to build a wardrobe that reflects sophistication and class. Don't forget to check the product links in the description for items mentioned in the video. Happy shopping and enjoy creating your old money style wardrobe.